Hello and welcome to another one of our unboxings, unboxing videos. Today we're going to be unboxing the Oral-B Smartfall 400N, made by Braun apparently, powered by Braun. Obviously it's an electric toothbrush. It's got smart features like you can hook it up to your phone, it's rechargeable, right? What other features has it got? Doesn't really say, to be honest. Oh, these are the main features on the side. Round head, timer, pressure control, lithium-ion battery, more than 2 weeks of brushing with one full charge, and smart coaching is the app you can link up to it. I think it works by Bluetooth. So this was purchased from Amazon. It says 100% more platinum removal with healthier gums. Yeah, this was purchased from Amazon for about £40. It was on offer. There's loads of different models available. But if you're thinking of getting one, this is what you can expect. Well packaged. Right, okay. Now that just pulls out. Okay. That's obviously the power source, if you need one. So that if you've ever had one of these before, basically you'll know that the electric toothbrush sits on top of that charger, and that plugs in the wall. And you will need a 2-pin to 3-pin converter.
Unless there's one with it.
There might not be one with it. I don't know yet. So it normally plugs in like a shaver socket in the bathroom sort of thing. Here. Some sort of stand, which I presume that might go over something. Yeah, it does. So, I think there's a notch for the cable. Just clips on top. Right, that was easy enough to do. There's a manual with it. I'm just seeing how easy it is to use without me having to go to anything. See if some batteries there, nothing. Okay, so that just sits on there. Thin bit, fat bit, thin bit, fat bit. And that'll charge it up.
Couple of heads.
Different, and there's different rings on them, so you can colour code them, so you know who's whose. And you can get these replacement heads from supermarkets, etc., pharmacies.
Plastic nightmare to open up. Okay.
There was something that just flipped off there.
Yes, the colour coded ring. So just clip on there, and in there you can see a groove, and there's a groove, and I'm guessing
goes the other way.
Goes the other way.
So, what else is left in the box apart from the manual?
Good thing about the heads packaging, just to make sure there isn't a plug. The only disappointing is it hasn't got the 2-pin plug with it. 2-pin to 3-pin converter, but we have got one of them, so that won't affect us. But just bear that in mind if you plug it in a room somewhere you haven't got the shaver socket. But okay. Let's see if it turns on. It might do. I'm guessing that's something to do with charging.
It might be pressure, that. It might be too much pressure on your teeth.
Yeah.
It's quite a prominent red.
Well, I guess these might light up. I don't know because we haven't got the plug to test it, which is a bit annoying. So if you press that a couple of times, stop. 1 press, 2 press, it slows it down.
Yeah, you can hear that and audibly hear that, yeah.
And I should think, in all honesty...
What's it feel like? Is it quite grippy?
That'll give your teeth a damn good clean.
Yeah, definitely, 100%, yeah.
And if my Jack Russell was more willing, I'd probably give her teeth a clean with it as well. I'm only joking, right.
So obviously you want to give this a full charge before using it, I would say.
Yeah, but it's...
other thing to note is you can have put your heads on these little side bits.
Okay, let's do that then.
So you can keep them sort of up and away from things, not touching anything. So it's more hygienic.
Tell you what. Clips on that so you know whose is who, sort of thing. Just slides onto,
yeah, pretty well designed.
Comes off nice and easy as well, which is good. So you know the brush's head's facing the front of the where the power button is, if you know what I mean. Yeah.
There's actually, as you can see, there's the Bluetooth symbol, and there is an app you can get for this, and we won't go into that because this is an unboxing. But there is an app you can get for it, and it helps you basically brush your teeth better.
I'll tell you what's interesting.
Keep it simple.
With these, the 30-day risk-free trial. It's quite a bold statement to make. So I guess if you don't like it, depending on the full details so you've got to go to a website and find what it is, you can probably return it. But looks well packaged, feels good quality, sort of nice soft grip. So what's quite good about it as well is that when you're holding it, you can turn it on and off quite easily. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Not heavy. Is it heavy?
No, there's a weight to it.
A
it's
weight
not
to
heavy,
it,
heavy.
The motor and the battery. Yeah.
It'd be ideal for. It wouldn't probably be suitable for little kids. It's for adults because you can feel the weight in it, if you know what I mean. Probably, you know. Yeah, it's for teenagers, adults. It's not for small children, definitely, because they might find it too big to operate and quite difficult with little hands to turn the switch off. But I'd give it 9, 10 out of 10. It's good quality. It does what it's supposed to do. Cleans teeth.
And obviously you got the instruction manual included. And that'll go through all the bits that we haven't.
Yeah, 1 year warranty for free. Different head colours you can get.
Oh, they're quite interesting. And it looks like there's different heads you can get. Whole range of heads you can get for whatever your requirements are.
Yeah. Can't say any more than that. It's decent.
Yep,
Looks like a decent toothbrush.
So thanks for watching, and hopefully it's some help to you this
We'll
video.
probably come back to you with how we get on with it. Hopefully we haven't got any missing teeth, but I'm sure it'll be fine.